0 means millimeters. 1 means inch. Language. 0 means Chinese. 1 means English. The value of the x-axis of the package. Y-axis value. Dwell time. Bending steps. Number of preset workpiece. Number of preset workpiece. In case of single step, delay time for x-axis concession. The time between concession signal valid and end hold time output. 4 seconds. In the first step, XP, i.e., x-axis, is 100, YP, i.e., y-axis, is 65.50, and RP means repeat time is 1 times. In the second step, XP, i.e., x-axis, is 300, YP, i.e., y-axis, is 66, and RP cycles once. Press start button and prepare to start.